This is Darshana Gauchen with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 12, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 0.13 points or 0.03% to 423.46. Total trade volume was up with 103,738 shares changing hands at a total value of 464.5 million real or over $116,000. On the main board, 3 stocks were up. Leading the market was Grand Twins International, up 0.85% or 60 real to 7,080 real per share, followed by MJQ Education, which rose 0.50% or 10 real to 2,000 real per share. Akleda Bank was also up 20 real to 7,300 real per share. On the downside, Sihanoukville Autonomous Port was the biggest loser of the day, dropping 0.61% or 80 real to 12,980 real per share, followed by Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, which was down 0.42% or 60 real to 14,180 real per share. Pestec Cambodia and Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority were also down. Meanwhile, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ and Cam GSM stayed flat. Over on the growth board, all 3 stocks were down. Picasso City Garden dropped 3.60% or 180 real to 4,820 real per share, followed by JS Land, which was down 2.34% or 60 real to 2,500 real per share, and DVD Engineering, meanwhile, also dropped 0.46% or 10 real to 2,150 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 24,482 shares changing hands at a total value of 178.3 million real or close to $45,000, approximately 24% of the total trade volume on Friday. Picasso City Garden recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 21,281 shares changing hands at a total value of 103.7 million real or nearly $26,000, about 20.5% of the total trade volume on December 12th. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD weakened slightly to 4,009 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 98.43. Looking at global commodities, oil prices rose on Friday, supported by concerns over Venezuelan supply disruptions, though they remained on track for a weekly decline as a supply glut and potential Russia-Ukraine peace deal remain in focus. Brent crude futures rose 33 cents or 0.54% to 61.61 US dollars a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude was up 35 cents or 0.61% at 57.95 US dollars. Both benchmarks fell by about 1.5% on Thursday. Gold prices held near a 7-week high, supported by expectations of more interest rate cuts next year after the U.S. Federal Reserve pushed back against hawkish market bets, while silver hovered just below Thursday's record peak. Spot gold rose 0.1% to $4,286.35 US dollars per ounce, but was on track for a 2.1% weekly gain after hitting its highest since October 21st on Thursday. U.S. gold futures gained 0.1% to $4,317.50 US dollars. U.S. stock futures traded mixed on Friday after Wall Street's rotation from tech into value and cyclical names propelled the Dow and S&P 500 to new records. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures gained roughly 0.3% as the blue chip index looked to build on its all-time closing high. S&P 500 futures traded broadly flat, while Nasdaq 100 futures fell 0.3%. This was Darshana Gauchen with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 12th. Have a great weekend.